And welcome to another video. This one's a little different than those haul videos I've done. This one is on some clothes I got. I'm going to show you some of the items, some of the deals I got at Shopko. So let's get started with the first couple items. We have a black shirt. And it looks like that. That is beautiful, cute. It was on clearance. The only reason I got it. And then we have this cute little orange one, which looks like this. It's another one I got on clearance. Oops. And then I got this one. And this is another cute one. As well on clearance. And then I got these little 3-pack of headbands. These are cute. I like these. And then this is the best deal of them all. I got 2 size 6 pants. And they look like that. And that's what the pockets look like. They're really cute. And then I also got these ones. And they look like this on the front. And they look like this on the back. And these are a nice deal. If you can't see, I got them on clearance for $5.59. Not bad. Both pairs are $5.59 a piece. And they're $55, almost $56 pants. So I got 2 pairs of pants, 3 shirts, a set of headbands, and then I also got these sweatpants as well. And then I got another shirt on clearance for somebody for the birthday as well. Not bad, you know. Things on clearance, you know. Normally I don't buy certain things, but some of these I bought and some of these my mother got. But, you know, I thought I'd show you a little bit of the things that I got, you know, on clearance in case they have some of the stuff at a Shopko near you, you know, so that. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button. You'll be notified when I upload another video. Until next time, I will see you in the next video.